Today's video from Sam4S. We're taking a look at discount button operation and programming on the ER-260BEJ register. So we have a minus percentage button here that as standard is an open discount button that works off an item. So for example, in the reg mode, processors in a sale, you can give a 15% discount off that specific item. What you can't do is give a discount off a subtotal. So if we add more items to the sale, subtotal, and then think, right, we want to give a 10% discount off the sale, it errors. But you can reprogram the button, so you can set it to work as a subtotal, so it gives a discount off the whole transaction. You can also preset it to a specific rate, and you can also give it a description, which is probably the most important thing, because then it makes a bit more sense on the till receipt and also the end of day report. So if we cancel that sale, I'll go around to the program mode and show you the different settings. So it should give you enough information to set the button up as you want it to work. So key round to PGM, so you will need the metal key marked P, and then you're looking for function key, which is option 3. Cache to enter, and then you press the button to program. First thing to program is description. As default it's %free, so you press cache to go into it, and we'll just call ours member, as in membership discount. There we go. Once you're happy with your description, cache confirms, arrow down to the next option, so you can have the button sent to either be an amount or a percentage. It's default, it's set to a percentage, and that's what I want to keep it to. If you want to change it to amount, you just arrow up to yes. I'll change mine back to no. Cache to confirm. Next option is the rate, so you can give it a preset rate. I'm going to give mine 20%. Cache to save. You can deactivate the button. We don't want to do that, obviously. You can put the button under manager control, so it only works in the X mode with the X key. You can have it as open or preset. I'm going to preset mine because so we've got open as default, arrow down gives you preset. Sale or item, so I want mine to work off the total sale, so again I'm going to change that, so I can't give individual discounts off items, it's got to be after the subtotal press. Overridable, that means that although I've set it to 20%, I can override that. I'll select that option. Positive or negative, so you can have a premium or surcharge button, which is but there's already one there, so I'm going to leave mine as that. Taxable by, so this is where it gets a bit complicated, so most of my buttons, sales buttons, are taxable by rate 1, so really you want to set your discount button up the same as that. And then there's quite a lot of options, most of them, so that's the preset override. Yeah, I want to allow a preset override. And there we go, there's all the options. So clear, clear, clear till it says program mode. Then you can turn the key back round to the register mode, and then we're now expecting the button to work in a different way. So if I try and give a discount off an individual item, it'll error because you need to subtotal it. So subtotal on £10. If I press it, I get my default 20% discount, which equates to £2. And there's my there's how it appears on the till receipt. It'll also appear on your end of day report. So yeah, basically that's the different ways of using the percentage button. If you want two discounts, so you want one to be preset like that or work off the sale and another one to work off the item, you can, and you don't want the surcharge button, if you go into the function key programming again and press this one, you can set this one to work in a different way. Crucially, if you go down to positive or negative, this one defaults to positive, so it's a surcharge, but you can change it to negative, so in effect you've then got a second discount button. So you could have the first one programmed to be 20% and only apply on a subtotal, and you can set this one to be open or give it a percentage, but so that it works on the sale. The program process would be exactly the same, just remember to change it to be negative. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER260 and other Sam4S cash registers, so feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.